Hey?
It's a little chilly, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm a nut. But you know what? As long as you're layered up, it's good.
We have a slingshot, a Polaris slingshot.
Oh yeah?
And we're like, I think that's why we're feeling so good, because we haven't been able to.
Gotcha. Yeah, I ride. I mean, as long as they're. I mean, obviously, if it's negative 20 degrees, I'm not going to ride.
Right,
but
yeah.
you know, if it's as long as there's no snow and it's a lot of heavy rain, I'm riding. So
There you go.
yeah. So, but that's awesome. You guys have that slingshot. That's.
Yeah.
I've never ridden one.
Obviously it's different, but Maryland considers it a motorcycle. Except I didn't have to go get a motorcycle permit.
That's what I heard. So it's a person. Yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, but it, in a lot of ways, it's a rocket sled on wheels.
And you can take the HOV and Express Lanes for free.
Yeah, and I've done that.
Yeah.
When I used to go out to Herndon to work, I would jump the HOV all the time.
That's awesome. Yeah.
And you know, coming, and you're probably well aware of this, living around here, coming around the outer loop of the Beltway, I mean the inner loop of the Beltway, you get in the left lane, and as soon as you can come up 270, you are on the HOV lane.
Exactly. Yeah, it's great. That's why I have a motorcycle. I live in Fredericksburg, Virginia. So,
Yeah, okay.
so this saves me. Saves me time. Yeah. So I'm heading home now. So.
All right, man.
You guys have fun. All right. See ya.
Yeah. Stay safe.
Thank you. You too.